Hi guys, in today's video we're gonna be unboxing the Laneige Radian-C Cream, and this is the item. I have not opened it yet, so we're gonna open it here in front of the camera. So this is the cream that I bought that I actually I'm not really, to be honest, I'm not really that interested with the cream, but I bought it purely because of the free gift. So yeah, this is the first time ever that I bought something because of the free gift. Like usually most of the time I do more push to buy something when there's the free gift, but it's not the only reason. Like I have other reasons, but for this particular one I actually truly just like the free gift, so that's why I got it. So anyway, ta-da! This is what the product looks like inside. So let's just take it out. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Alright, so oh, okay, so oh my I feel like something just about to fall. Okay, so that's the item. Nothing else inside the box, so let's just get rid of the box. Oh my god, it's so cute. This is the Brunch Brothers. This is like the Brunch Brother edition, and so okay, I am super excited. All right, so let's just open it up. Okay. What's this? Okay, so this is the Radian-C Cream by Laneige. This is, I'm not sure how many milliliters is this. Doesn't really say it here. Oh, it's 10 milliliters. So we got the cream in 10 milliliters size. And then, oh, this is like the really exciting part. So this is the the Brunch Brother pouch. As you guys can see, I actually ordered the duck one, but I actually don't mind to get the toast one as well, because I was like kind of deciding like which one should I get, the toast one or the duck one. But it's so cute, like it's really cute, and it really reminds me of, you know, the Mathia's creation. I think it's called My Accent, and I absolutely love it. So I got this. I literally just like this, that's why I got this cream. So yeah, we're gonna take a look at this later. So we're just gonna take a look at what's the other stuff. We got some stickers, which is so not interesting. Like I'm actually not interested in the sticker at all. Like where do I gonna stick it to? I don't have a house, so that's like my struggle with getting stickers. And then we also get the 13 milliliters of cream and another 10 milliliters, so we get 50 milliliters in total, which is very cheap. It's such a steal, because let me tell you, in Sephora, if you buy the cream in the 50 milliliter size, they sold at I think about 210 ringgit, and in here you get the same exact size, 50 milliliters, and it's only cost like this whole thing only cost me about 130 ringgit. So that's such a steal. So that is why I'm like, maybe I should get it. Okay, so let's just open this up. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, the duck is so cute. Now I'm kind of thinking, should I get the duck? It's difficult, you know, it's so difficult. Like both of the toast and the duck are absolutely cute. All right, let's open this up. Okay, yep, it's the same. Like we get the 10 milliliters, 2 of them, and we got like this spatula right here. We just take it out for you guys, just a normal spatula. And then we get the this is 30 milliliters size. Yep, this is 30 milliliters. So yeah, we got all that. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna be opening the cream as well later. But first, let's take a look at this. This pouch is so cute. Like, I actually don't really need pouch, but I don't know. I guess now I do. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, it's so soft and it's so cute. That's how it looks like. Ta-da! It's so cute and it's pretty squishy as well. It's kind of like you know, one of those sofa thingy. Okay, let's take out this. Oh, okay, so inside it looks something like this. So there's like this kind of net and the space is pretty, well, it's not really big, but it's sufficient, I would say. Like, it's not too small, it's not too big as well. It's absolutely cute. And then there's a zip. Oh, there's a toast. And then that's his little feet. Okay, it's really cute. Let's take a look at the stickers. We got 2 sets of stickers. So we got the toast and the duck as well. The duck is so cute. So yeah, we just got these 2 stickers. And then let's take a look at the cream. So I'm gonna open the small one first. Kind of smells like orange. I mean, it did say vitamin C, so that's expected. So let's take some and then put it here. Okay, the cream is just a little bit sticky. Like, they're not really fast absorbing. They kind of leave like some sort of film. I don't know if it's the right thing to say. It's kind of like a film of I would say it really feels like there are a lot of silicone inside, which is, I don't really like silicone, but I guess we just have to deal with it since I bought it already. And this is I'm planning to use this for my daytime because nighttime I use retinol, so I cannot combine it with vitamin C. That's why I'm gonna use this on the daytime. So yeah, yeah, it smells like orange, and now it makes my skin feel like it has a bit of like those smooth texture. Like I said, it kind of looks like it has like silicone. That's how it feels like. So I'm not sure about you guys, but if you don't like silicone, don't get these. It really feels like there's a pretty good amount of silicone there. Like, it's not super little that you can't feel it. Like, you definitely can feel the silicone texture. Okay, so the thing that I'm really happy about it is that they told us that we're just gonna get 30 plus 10 milliliters of cream, but we ended up getting like another 10 milliliters. So we in total we got like 15 milliliters, and then the whole thing cost only 130 ringgit. And then of course this pouch, absolutely the cuteness. I don't really know how much this pouch is selling normally, but I did find like this one seller that sold the pouch 50 ringgit or 50 or 60 ringgit, which is well, that's pretty expensive actually. So like, yeah, this whole thing you get only 130, which is really such a deal. And of course there's no other free gift as well. Oh, I just realized that the sponge is in toast, which is cute, I guess. That's all the unboxing video for Laneige Brunch Brothers edition for Radian-C Cream. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!